Hi, I'm Miriam Nice from BBC Good Food and welcome to Cocktail Hour. This time I'm going to be showing you how to make an Amaretto sour and the non-alcoholic alternative. These recipes can be found on the BBC Good Food website. An Amaretto sour has a really wonderful balance of sharpness and sweetness that are complemented by the rich almond flavour from the Amaretto. Both the recipes are going to use egg white, but I'm going to show you two methods to getting that aeration and that lovely foam, one using a blender and one using a cocktail shaker, but both those methods can be interchanged between the two recipes. Let's get started. And there you go, an Amaretto sour and the non-alcoholic alternative. You can find these recipes on bbcgoodfood.com, plus loads of other delicious recipes and ideas. Cheers!